Hello everyone, welcome to Versus Financial Channel. Today I'm going to discuss one special topic called stocks hitting upper and the lower circuit. Okay, whether to buy such shares or not, whether you should invest or not in such stocks, that's what I'm going to be discussing in today's class. Uh, First thing, what does this upper circuit mean? Actually, normally, uh, the stocks which are not lying under futures and options, they're normally having 20% upper circuit. That means a stock can move in the upward direction 20% or in the downward direction 20%, either of them. Once it hits the 20% upper circuit, it the trading will be stopped for that particular day. It will not be moving further. If it wants to move further, again when the market opens in the next day, then only the people will be able to trade it. Until then, people cannot trade in such shares. Okay, if the stock is continuously hitting two times 20% on two continuous days, the circuit limit will be reduced to 10%. That means the stock can move upward direction 10% or in the lower direction another 10%. Okay, and if the stock is again hitting two times on continuous basis, 10 percentage, then the circuit will be changed to 5%. Okay, so the 5%, most of the stocks are nowadays having it. Okay, so whether to buy such shares or not, I'll discuss with you people. Okay, so the right now market is live. Okay, so you can see the Nifty is at 15,677 and it is changing. Okay, so I have one share, Magad Sugar, which is related to sugar stock. Okay, mainly the sugar shares are cyclic in nature. That means they if they are moving forward, they just move like anything in the upward direction or in the lower direction, and the stock, it doesn't move at least for 2 to 3 years for the next time. Okay, because it will be consolidating heavily. So if you have bought on the higher side, the stock starts consolidating at the lower side, and again will be stuck at the top. Okay. First thing, the Magad sugar, you can see here from 2020 to 21, or even from the 18. So it is complete. It has completely consolidated in this range, 136 or 140, and below is around 100 range. So today this particular stock is in the upper circuit. Okay, the green circuit level, that is called upper, and the red one is called lower circuit. What people think is that they run behind these circuit stocks. Why they run behind? Because see here, the stock every day 5% is going like this. And what people generally think that, oh, suppose if I invested here, by this time my return would have been 46%. People think like this. That's a very foolish in nature. They should not do it. Okay, why these stocks behave like this? These are mainly pump and dump. I repeat, these stocks are just like pump and a dump. What does this mean? It means the big people who are having a lot of money, at least thousands of crore, they buy it at the lower level. Okay, see here, one of the big fish has entered here. Okay, at this particular level, and the retail people starts coming in at this particular time only. At the top only the retail people are coming. So here you can see the lot of green volumes are there. Okay, only one red. Somebody has exited here also. Okay, and again some people started moving, taking it forward on the higher side. You can see now also this, some more people or some retailers have entered here also. Okay, they are taking the stocks to higher level. So what people think is that if I invest here, tomorrow itself it will hit another 5%, tomorrow again another 5%, so in 2 days I can make 10%. That is a foolish nature. You should not run behind these shares. This is going to destroy your capital mainly. Okay, what happens? The stock continuously hits the upper circuit, and on the top, what happens is that the people who have entered here at the bottom, they completely dump it on the top. I'll show you, I'll show you the share where it happens. So you just visit this Magad sugar after another 5 to 10 days, it will be in -5%. So this means now nobody wants to sell this share, but so many people wanted to buy it. So that is called a upper circuit. So now the somebody wants to sell, they have to sell at only 370.2. So if there is a seller, then only you can buy the share. Otherwise, you cannot buy it. So nobody wants to sell it. That is what the upper circuit means. And the lower circuit, I'm having one more share, Reliance Naval, which is a company of Anil Ambani. Okay, so what happened here? You see, the lot of green volumes are there here. Many big fishes have entered right here. See, they entered at 3.35. What happened? The every day the stock started moving upwards with 5% on regular basis. Okay, here also some big people have entered. What do the retailers do is that they enter somewhere here on the top. They don't enter here. They won't be knowing. Okay, they enter here thinking that the stock will be hitting upper circuit on daily basis from today also. So what they do, the big people, they exit here. See here, and one more, the big people has simply exited the share. This is dumping. The red volumes are dumping. Okay. So now you cannot exit. You cannot exit. Every day it will be hitting -5%. So that means every day basis, your capital will be eroded by 5% no matter what. You cannot sell it also. Nobody wants to buy it. How do you sell it? That is the question. So you have bought and now nobody wants to buy it. So you cannot sell. So your capital will be eroded. Again, this stock will be coming back to this normal level 3 only. You wait and watch after some days. Now see here. The Adani Total Gas share, which was trending since many days. Okay. See, many people have entered here. See, the big person has also entered, and equally, some people have exited at this particular, that is pumping and dumping. Now you see, everyday basis it is hitting lower circuit. You can see here from the top how much percentage it has fallen. It has fallen 45%. That's approximately 50%. So half of the capital has gone if you had invested at the top thinking that the stock will be hitting 5% on the upper side. So you'll be at the top and you'll be stuck. You cannot sell the share and your capital has been eroded by 45%. And again, it will not stop here. The story will not stop. Again, it will continue till it comes back to its normal range. So many people, the retail traders who have entered the market just 1 year before, please listen carefully. Don't enter in such stocks. Okay. So I have shown, I'm going to show you this as well. What is this? Adani Total Gas Limited. Okay. So this also, nobody wants to buy it. And people are, they wanted to sell it, but nobody wants to buy it. So you cannot sell, you cannot exit. It's as simple as that. The share within few days it will come to 350. You wait and watch, it will come back to this level only. So how much capital will be eroded? More than 75, 76%. Can you imagine this? So that is why, what another thing I want to tell, the people always run behind the penny stocks. Don't run behind penny stocks. 3 rupees, 1 rupee, 50 paisa, 10 rupees. Less than 50 rupees, never ever invest in such stocks. Don't invest until and unless there is a quality in that particular stock. Always you buy the branded stocks only, the branded shares. Don't think that this 3 rupees will become 6 so that my money gets doubled. No, it will never happen. Even if it happens, your greediness will increase and you will not exit at the double the price, and you keep on holding, and stock will start hitting the lower circuits and you cannot exit it. So again, you will be under trouble. Always, as you think that you want to buy the branded shoes, branded clothes, branded watch, same thing applies to stock market. Always go with the quality. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss with all of you. This is for the educational purpose of many investors. Okay, that is what I wanted to do it. I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, so next time I'll come up with a video on some more awareness program. Before that, you invest in proper stocks, do good research of that, and then invest. Don't ever invest in the stocks which are hitting upper circuit or the lower circuit, either of them. So my clear answer is don't buy it. Okay, not to buy it. Okay, so with this I stop here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.